Yeah, you know, say enough ghetto youth out there today, brethren. What? You know, say why? Now the government now run nothing for them, brethren. You know, say the streets are empty. You know, say the pockets are empty. So the youth them hungry. You know, say the youth them are struggling. So them are start juggling. You know, want to get caught in the game. Never want to be gangsters. Tell me what they're fighting for. Tell me what they're fighting for. Want to be gangsters, fighting without no war. 2015, they get to get in a car. Nobody can get a job, so them a turn drug shopper. Them a sell drugs in the Jeep.